Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service Alert. Now, this is a alert you receive when Adobe checks that its software you're running is integrated or is genuine. Now, sometimes it happens that you just have genuine software and it still occurs that the error pops up. So I'm going to show you how to actually fix it. And there's a bunch of options, so let's get straight into the first one. Now, the first one, we're going to use the Windows services. So simply open up the search bar right here, open up the services, so simply type in services. This will open up the tab you see right here, and what you want to do, you want to look for the Adobe Genuine alert application. So simply select it. This is just a one I'm showing you right here. Open it up, and from there you look to the startup type. Now, make sure the startup type is set to disabled and that the service is stopped. Now, from there you simply press apply, press OK, and from there the service should be stopped. Now, let's say you still run into the message. I'm going to show you the next method. Now, for the next method, we're going to delete the CGI client folder from Adobe. So what you want to do, you want to first end this process in the background. So simply go down to the start icon, right click it, and open up the task manager. Now, what you want to do right here is go into the processes and type in CGI client. Now, if you find a process called CGI client, simply right click it and end the process completely. From there, we want to go down to the folder. So simply open up the folder right here. And what you want to do, you want to go to this PC, go to the local disk, go to the Adobe file folder you have. So simply right click the Adobe program and go to the file location. Now you come up right here, and here you want to look for the CGI client folder. You can completely delete this folder and try to restart your PC to check if this Adobe message still pops up. Now let's go to the third method. Now, for the third and final method, we're going to completely delete the Adobe Genuine service from your computer. So the first step you want to take is actually go down to the Windows icon, the start icon, and type in settings. Now, from here we go down into the settings, and what we want to do next, we want to look for the programs. So add or remove programs right here, and here we need to search for the apps. So simply type in Adobe, and if you have Adobe Genuine Service on your computer, it should pop up right here. And what you want to do, you want to go down to the Adobe Genuine Service, go to the three dots, and here you can press uninstall. Now, simply follow the prompts given, and that should uninstall the Genuine detection software from Adobe. Now, make sure that your Adobe version is legit, otherwise it isn't possible. Now, please, if this tutorial was helpful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.